does the Social Security Administration ask me what I do around the house when I'm applying for Social Security disability benefits? That's a great question. You may wonder what on earth the Social Security Administration wants to know about what you do, as opposed to why it is that you can't do your own job. I mean, what does what you do around the house have to do with anything? Well, the answer to that question is founded in part based on the 5-step sequential evaluation. And the 5-step sequential evaluation is the test the Social Security Administration uses. And you have to show that you can't go back to the lightest job you held in the 15 years before you became disabled. That's step 4. And it's step 5 that you can't do other work in the mythical, not real world national economy. So why would the Social Security Administration be asking you what it is you do around the house? I actually think there are 2 reasons. And the first reason goes to your credibility and the consistency in what you're telling your doctor about your functional capabilities. So let's say you have a back problem and you claim that it prevents you from doing construction work, yet you tell the doctor that you've been doing remodeling work for some neighbors. That's clearly inconsistent. The second reason is that what you do around the house can give the Social Security Administration and maybe an administrative law judge a clue as to how you organize your life in view of your disability. So let's say, for example, you've got that back problems and you're sitting in the recliner and you get up every 15 to 20 minutes and you change position. Now, if you're unable to sit, or let's say you can't stand at the kitchen sink for more than 15 minutes or carry laundry to the laundry room, that gives the Social Security Administration a clue as to how long you can sit, how long you can stand, how much you can bend. That can translate, if you will, into functional restrictions and limitations. As I've said, when you apply for Social Security, the Social Security Administration is using the 5-step sequential evaluation, and steps 4 and 5 are in part based on functionality. Now, you would think that your medical records would speak to this, and I will tell you more often than not, they don't, which is again why I like to have my clients' physicians complete a residual functional capacity form that addresses your restrictions and limitations. But these activity of daily living questionnaires and questions about your activities can help explain, if you will, what your real functional capabilities are. But then again, remember, they're going to be looked at for consistency. What's in your medical records? What are you saying? What's on that residual functional capacity form? So when you're filling out these forms, please tell the truth, be honest, don't write a book, but you want to paint a picture in the reader's mind about what it is you can do in terms of physical or psychological functioning and how that impacts your ability to do things in your regular daily life. Got it? If you have any questions about your rights to Social Security disability benefits, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.